I woke up
Ayoko
with you
kumusta.
on
Iyakin ako.
my
No, no,
mind.
no. Iyakin ako.
Watch the
Iyakin na nga
air
ako.
as you breathe.
Tanungin mo siya. May tissue na sa...
Yellow morning feeling up your eyes. Waking
Sa
up.
haba-haba ng panahon, sa wakas tayo ay nakaahon. Marami nang dumaang pagsubok. Ilang beses na sa problema tayo ay nalugmok. Pero salamat sa Diyos, wala sa atin ang sumuko.
You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love. There's a quiet moving in your ways. It's a peace I've never known.
Bago to eh. Hindi ako pumusta na.
Build my anchor, throw it in your waves. Slow it down and call you home. You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun.
Lord, do you take Manalyn here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother in Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Dapat totoo ka sa asawa mo, wala kang tinatago. Yun ang sekreto ng pagmamahala na matibay. Transparency.
You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun.
Manilyn,
Ano yan?
this is my gift for you.
Wow.
Bracelet. Kasi alam ko, mahilig ka sa... Ako ay nangangako, sa hirap man o ginhawa, sa iyakan man o pagtawa, asahan mo, hindi ako magsasawa. Lagi lang ako sa iyong tabi, ang pogi mo asawa.
Totoo na to. Wala nang balikan sa magulang pag tinatoyo. Pag hindi masarap ang buto. I love you and let's spend the rest of our life together.
Is it lawful for a man to divorce his wife for any cause whatsoever? And the two shall become one flesh. So they are no longer two, but one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. Manilyn, do you take Eloy here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
When you create a secret, it is a dark room of evil spirit. Secret ka ng secret, sikrito ng sikrito, sikrito ng sikrito. Isang araw, malalaman din. Ganito ka pala, maghiwalay na tayo.
Suotin natin. Suotin na.
I'm blessed for having such amazing partner. Super bait, walang bisyo, marunong makisama, Hindi man kasing payat at tangkad na mga opa, at least baby face at may dimples naman like Alden.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and let us now welcome Mr. and Mrs. Eloy and Manilyn.
I am so happy. Sa wakas, natupad na ang dream wedding natin. I just feel so loved and secured. Sabi mo nga, kung hindi ikaw ang nakatuluyan ko, magiging matandang dalaga ako.
Tama, tama.